Hello friends, day 28, and last night was a bit weird. Whilst I was chatting on the phone to Tracy, we could hear this very heavy breathing outside, and it turned out to be a rather large group of young cattle. When I poked my head out the tent, they stampeded away and I never saw them again. But then, even stranger, later on at 11 o'clock, a helicopter came and pretty much hovered over the tent and stayed there for about 5 minutes. So I don't know what that was. Presumably it was the police, but I don't know what they were after. I certainly didn't have any armed police raiding the tent last night, but it did mean I had a slightly disturbed night. Anyway, this morning off I set early again before it got too hot, and had some good views which you'll see shortly. And all I can really remember about today was it was hot, it was sizzling, but it was a good day. And because of the heat, I stopped early, and I'm on a campsite tonight. Ofka has done loads of research for her walk, and she found this brilliant campsite, so I decided to stay overnight, have a baked potato for dinner, and just generally enjoy being right next to this beautiful babbling stream. So this is where I'm camped tonight. As you can see, beautiful stream next door.